Hi everyone, myself I am S. Syed Abdagir Shafan, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, JJ College of Arts and Science, Pudukkottai. Today we are discussing about cloud computing. The topic is computing security. Security is one of the most important of every client and the server. If the security will be lost, we will be lost everything like data or resource and the controls. Okay, now we will go to our topic. Introduction. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a network based environment that focus on sharing computations or resources. Next, in cloud customers must only pay for what they use and have not to pay for local resource which they need to such as storage as infrastructures. Next, types of cloud. There are totally three types of clouds. First one is public cloud, second one is private cloud, and third one is hybrid cloud. And this is the service environments. There are totally three major types of services in cloud environment. First one is SaaS and PaaS and IaaS. SaaS stands for software as a service and PaaS stands for platform as a service and IaaS stands for infrastructure as a service. In IaaS is also called as HAAS, there is hardware as a service. There are three types of cloud computing or three cloud providing platforms. RAS, reliability, availability, security. This is the most important things in cloud computing. It will be provide cloud to secure the data into server. For having good and high performance provider much meet features such as availability management and access control management and vendor availability and problem management and patch and configure management and countermeasures and cloud system using and access monitoring. These 6 RAS method will be protect our client and server security functions. In this is it will be provide also the passwords, user ID, passwords method and private methods and authentication method and integrity method and etc. It will be provide some more security functions in the cloud computings. Next, information security policies. In cloud computing technology, there are a set of important policy issues which include issues or privacy, security, anonymity and government supervision and reliability and liability and among others. They are the main data to can be provided by the all data in the cloud services. But the most important between them in security and how cloud provide assured it. They are the information security policies. Next, security issues. Privilege user access. It will be third party will be access your data in hidden method or hacking methods. Regular complications. There the regularity complication is one of the deficiencies. It will be access for day by day method. They are going to will be send some bugs in your systems or you will be hacked in your devices. Somebody will be hacked in your devices. That is a regular complications. And data locations. Data locations, when you identify the data locations, it will be more danger. Easily the data will be sent or hacked in the hackers. Next, data synchronizations and recovery. Recovery is one of the best method to secure the issues. Next, investigated and support and long-term availability. When the data will be lost in somewhere or some places, how you will be recover and how you will be terminally long lived. In your example, if you will be missed your mobile phone, you will be immediately you can to disable your mobile. Like you will be first of all you will be go to police stations and complain the mobiles and you will be used to IME number to block the mobile because the data will be very important. That's the methods of security issues. Next, cloud RSA issues. Using cloud results applications and the data will move under third party controls. If the data will be go third-party controls, your data will be leaked easily and accessed for many purposes. Our government also knows this. One time we will be lost all the data into the another country hackers. We will be seeing this next parts. Shared responsibility model will bring new security systems challenges to the organization's IT operations staffs. Repeat, shared responsibility model will bring new security management challenges to the organization's IT operations staffs. Some IT operations staffs will be provide. It is a managed to challenge to our data will be secure and safe. This method only. And next, data leakage. First, the data will be stored away from the customer local machines. If you store your data in your PC, it will be easily hacked by someone third party hackers. Next, second, the data is moving from a single ton to a multi-ton environment. Next, those changes can raise an important concurrent that cancelled data leakage. This is a method to how your data will be leakage in these methods. Next, cloud security issues. All of users who use same virtual machine as infrastructures. It's a hacker steal a virtual machine or take control over it. He will be enabled to access all users' data within it. The hackers can copy them into his local machines. Before cloud provider detect that virtual machines is in out of control, that hacker will analyze the data must be find valuable data upwards. Next, DDoS attacks against cloud. DDoS stands for Distributed Denial of Services. This is serious problem is when a malicious users deliberated done a DDoS attacks using botnet. Botnet is one of the complicated security managers. And next one is unforgettably and similarly to IPS. IPS stands for Intrusion Prevention Systems Solution. In firewalls are vulnerable and ineffective against DDoS attacks. DDoS expansion of distributed denial of services. It will be provide our data into the some malware attacks or security functions. Next, solution against cloud security problems. There are several traditional solutions to migrate system problems that exist in the internet environments as a cloud infrastructure, but nature of cloud case some security problems that they are especially exist in cloud environment. They are the cloud against cloud security problems. Next, access controls. They are the mainly access control access to information, manage user access rights, encourage good access practice, and control access to network services, and control access to operating system, and control access to application and systems. Repeat, first one is the control access to information. The information will be controlled only the users within or admin. Next one is manage user access rights. The manager will be, that is manager is a admin. Admin will be access to provide the data into the clients. Next, encourage good access practices. The good access practices is a keep to your data will be secure. Next is control access to network services. Network services is a one of the many network services will be provided to control access to the own client operations. Next, another one is cloud access to operating systems. The operating system can be access to the cloud accesses. Next one is control access to application and this system. Their application and system can be also both of control is access to the user. Next, incident of consumptions and responses, participating and migration and workload analysis and allocations. They are the three incident consumptions and response. Next, conclusions of this topic. As a solution, cloud provides can add more resource to protect themselves from malware attack, but unfortunately there is no defense against a powerful DDoS attacks which has good spinets. Certain countermeasures can be implemented to increase reliability to same extent. They are the topic of cloud security, and this is a very good conclusion for this cloud computing. As a solutions, it will be also provide solutions and debugs and advantage and disadvantage on this conclusions. And very thank you so much for this seeing these videos. If any query and any doubts, you will be contact my email ID.